Here on the news track, the Supreme Court of India has stayed the implementation of the government's 3 farm laws. The Apex Court has also formed a 4-member committee. The panel consisting of Bharatiya Kisan Unions, Bhupinder Singh Maan and 3 agricultural experts will submit its report in 2 months, and the first meeting will take place in 10 days. During the hearing, the top court asked protesting farmers to appear before the appointed panel, since they are already speaking to the government. The Supreme Court also told the farmers that the panel will not mediate a key concern raised by protesting. Consider all issues. However, farmers are still adamant on their demand to repeal laws. The unions have decided to go ahead with their tractor rally plan on the 26th of January.
हाँ, देखिए, ये किसानों की जीत है, किसानों की जीत है। माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो हम लोगों की पिटीशन थी सुप्रीम कोर्ट में, इन कानूनों के खिलाफ, ये कानून लागू नहीं होने चाहिए, उन कानूनों को लागू न करने के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज स्टे कर दिया है। और कमेटी गठित करने के लिए हमने कुछ नाम सुझाए थे। ऑनरेबल जस्टिस मार्कंडे काटजू, कुरियन जोसेफ और भी जस्टिस के नाम बताए गए। उनके नाम पर विचार करके आगे कमेटी गठित कर, और भारतीय किसानों के जितने किसानों के संगठन है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, उन सब के अध्यक्ष को उस कमेटी में रखा जाए। हमने कहा विज्ञान भवन बहुत बड़ा है, उसमें कमेटी जब भी बुलाई जाए, मीटिंग हो तो उनके अध्यक्षों को बुलाया जाए, और उसके साथ अगर लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव की जरूरत है उनके एडवोकेट को बुलाया जाए, जिससे आगे सारी प्रोसीडिंग हो सके।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का फैसला जो आया है कि कानूनों के अमल को फिलहाल रोक दिया गया है, आप किस तरीके से देखते हैं?
देखो, उन्होंने रोक दिया है। हमारी कमेटी है, हम उसमें बातचीत करेंगे वहां पे, और उसके बाद ही हम पूर्ण रूप से कोई इस पे जवाब देंगे। जो लीगल वे हैं उनसे बातचीत हम करेंगे। उनसे हमारी डिमांड ये थी कि ये कानून वापसी हो। हमारी स्टे की तो बात थी नहीं हमारी।
तो अब क्या, अगर कानून वापसी नहीं है तो क्या आंदोलन की ये आप जीत मानेंगे? 4 मेंबर की कमेटी बनी है, कानून के अमल पर रोक लगा है, किस तरीके से आप देखते हैं?
देखो, इसमें हार और जीत का सवाल नहीं है। जीत तो वही जाए, सरकार ही जीत जाए। हमारे ये वापसी ले लो, एमएसपी पे कानून बना दो और सरकार ही जीत जाओ। जीत का सेहरा वो अपने सिर ही बांध दो। भाई जीतेगी तो सरकार ही, वो वापसी लेगी तो वही तो कहेगी ना हमने जनता की आवाज को मान लिया। वे आज मान लो, वे फरवरी में मान लो, वे मई में मान लो, मानना सरकार को पड़ेगा।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक आज फैसला किया है जो हमें मीडिया के जरिए ही पता चला है। अभी तक उसकी कॉपी या उसके बारे में डिटेल्स हमें नहीं मिली है, लेकिन जैसे डॉक्टर दर्शनपाल जी ने कहा कि हम समझते हैं कि सरकार की ये शरारत है कि वो अपने ऊपर से ये प्रेशर कम करने के लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जरिए ये कमेटी वगैरह ले आई, जिसका हमने कल ही विरोध कर दिया था कि हम ऐसी कमेटी के सामने पेश नहीं होंगे। हमारा आंदोलन एज इट इज सरकार के साथ चलता रहेगा।
So we now have a situation where the Supreme Court has appointed a 4-member committee. The farmers aren't happy with what's being done and have refused to appear before this committee. Anisha Mathur tracks the courts for us. She was present when this hearing was taking place, listening in intently. Anisha, what happens from here? The Supreme Court set up this committee. They're hoping that the farmers will appear before them. The farmers have refused to do so blankly. So where will the Supreme Court go from here? They've passed this order. There's also some conversation about the government wanting to give some details about Khalistanis infiltrating this protest. So when will that happen and what happens next?
Well, Rahul, the hearing in the issue that the government has raised with regard to they want a ban on the proposed tractor rally, and they've said that we do have certain information with regard to influence of outside forces in this particular agitation. They've said that there are certain inputs indicating that certain anti-national elements may have become involved in this entire protest. So the court has asked the Attorney General to file an affidavit on the matter. They've issued notice to the farmer unions on the tractor rallies issue, and the next hearing is now going to be on Monday. However, with regard to what you've just said about the farmers taking an adamant stand, that is going to create quite a lot of trouble. We're going to have to wait and see how the court is going to manage that, because the court in its order has very clearly said that this committee that has been formed is being formed so that all aspects of the issue can be considered. Remember, the court has given two important orders with regard to the demands of the farmers. One is that the farm laws implementation has been stayed till further orders. This committee, of course, has to give its report within 2 months. And the third is also that the court has said that MSP will be given at the same rate as it was being given before these laws came into existence. So the court has tried to take into account the demands of the farmers and how far it can pass orders when it comes to policy matters like this. But if the farmers continue to say that we do not want to take part in this committee proceedings, then it may later put the court in a slightly difficult position. Today, of course, a lot of organizations, including some organizations which claim to be part of the ongoing agitation, particularly one which has said that our people are sitting at the Rajasthan-Haryana border for the last several days. We oppose these farm laws. We want to repeal. They have said at least that we are willing to speak to this committee. If the larger Kisan unions are not ready to talk, we'll have to see how it works out. The committee, of course, has to hold its first hearings in 10 days. Maybe the court is hopeful that the committee and the government may be able to talk the farmers into joining the committee. They've also indicated that the lawyers of the farm unions should step in. They had made certain observations regarding lawyers being officers of the court and being responsible for ensuring that the dignity of the court is respected. So at this stage, of course, if the farmers still refuse to take part, it may put the government and the court in a slightly difficult position. But at the moment, looking at the order, at least, the court seems to be hopeful that after this order, the farmer unions may come back to the table to talk, at least to this committee in particular, and they could also, considering that part of their demands with regard to delay in implementation of this law.
Okay,
and,
Anisha Mathur, many thanks for joining us. Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.